Hey people, look who came bearing gifts. Infinix. I literally just realized I haven't checked out an Infinix device on this channel, and that is really weird. We've checked out a lot of devices, and this one I have in particular, this one, she's really hot. Like, so really hot, I'm going to give it a 10. So, Infinix Hortensi. That's a good joke, right?
Bro, that was a terrible joke.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That was a really good joke.
No, it wasn't.
Man, I'm not even going to do this video.
Don't do it, then leave.
Okay, so let's check out the unboxing experience. Okay, so the box kind of looks cool. The colors and design looks really well done. Getting into the box, you're greeted with a phone with its highlighting features boldly printed on a sticker on the screen. Let's put that aside for now and check out what else comes in the box. There's a box which has a SIM card ejector pin on it, and inside you can find a dollar note. LOL, that's actually the X Gold card, which can actually scan to win a couple of goodies if you're lucky. Also in the box you can find a plastic protector and a clear screen protector. Then you find a micro USB cable and an earpiece, and of course a power brick. This of course is a 10 watts power brick. Let's take the stickers off these and check it out for ourselves. So basically this is everything that comes in the box. Now to the design and build. This is an all plastic device as expected for a device costing about 788 Ghana cedis, which is really low for a mobile phone these days. I have here the all black, which kind of has this web-like design at the back. It's really minimal and I like how it looks. It also comes in a purple, heart of ocean and a Morandi green. After all those colors that I've seen, I think I like the all black which I have in my hands. Buttons on here feel tactile and really satisfying to click. The back is glossy finish though, but fingerprints don't seem to be a problem here. Just like devices found in this category, we have a headphone jack below, a micro USB port, a single firing speaker. On the side you can find a dual SIM card tray and also supports memory cards. The volume rocker and power button is on the right. At the back you have what looks like 3 cameras and a fingerprint sensor. This was really fast in my test. For the display, this is a 6.8 inch 90Hz refresh rate with a 180Hz touch sampling rate. This of course is a HD plus panel. Of course this is an IPS display though, with a D-drop selfie like camera up top. How they managed to get 90Hz in this display is really appreciated. Hopefully we are going to see an AMOLED panel very soon. This is an okay display, colors are decent. It's still a 720p display though, but this is actually really big for consuming all your contents on the go. And the fact that this has a 180Hz touch sampling rate combined with the 90Hz refresh rate, scrolling, opening of apps, closing of apps, interaction with the display is really smooth and very responsive. Colors are decent, gets bright enough to use outdoor. Alright, so the display on here is actually really decent. Like I said, this is a 720p display, and if you want to watch content on this actually can get the job done. And this, of course, this has a single firing speaker below, so watch whilst consuming content on it, you can easily block it. That's one disadvantage of having a single firing speaker, but this is what we are working with. Now to the chipset powering this device. This features a MediaTek Helio G70 chipset, which was actually really impressive for my testing. I really enjoyed using this. This also comes with Android 11 with the XOX 7.6 skin installed. Performance of this device has been excellent for the price. This was able to play some heavy demanding games like Genshin Impact at a really decent rate. And your day-to-day activities is going to be smooth. I didn't have any issues with that either. XOS comes with a lot of pre-installed applications and some features. If you are not a fan, you can actually delete some of these applications. Some of these features include Power Marathon for amazing battery saving capabilities, Pic Proof to prevent other viewers from viewing your phone from a different angle. You also have screencast to catch your screen to other supported devices. You can also find the theft alert on here and WhatsApp mode for better WhatsApp experience. Okay, so this was my first time trying the XOS skin, and I must say it comes with some really intuitive features up here for you to try out, like some features like pick proof and some nice things I found on here. But there are a lot of pre-installed applications, and luckily you can go inside and uninstall them if you don't like them. Also, you can always install your third-party launchers like Nova Launcher and the rest if you are not a fan of the XOS found on here. For security, this comes with a biometric fingerprint sensor found at the back. It's pretty responsive and really fast. And also this comes with a Face ID, which I never really actually used. For battery life, this comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which can easily give you 2 days of use possibly, and comes with a 10 watts charger in the box, which is going to take you about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. So make sure you get that charging when you're going to bed. Now let's check out the cameras found on this device. At the rear, we have a 48 megapixel main sensor, an AI camera, and a depth sensor. So the main sensor produces some decent pictures in some good lighting environments. I like the way the AI kicks in and optimizes the scene to improve them. Selfie camera produces some decent pictures too. There's no wide angle camera found on here. For the video capabilities, this is also able to shoot at 2K resolution. Alright guys, so this is a front camera video test on the Infinix Hot 10T. What do you think about it? What do you think about the skin tones? Also, how do I sound, the colors and everything? Let's get interactive in the comment section. I want to know what you think about this video sample. Let's go. Okay, so in summary, what do I think of the Infinix Hot 10T? This was actually my first Infinix device, and for the price of 700 Ghana cedi, trust me, I went in expecting less, but this was actually really impressive for the price. I like the fact that they were able to put a 90Hz refresh rate in here, and the 180Hz touch sampling rate is really impressive too. Interacting with the device, like I said, is really responsive. I really like that. The XOS skin on here is a little bit too much for me. It has a lot going on for it. But I know some people might like some applications on here, so you can check them out. The cameras on here were decent. The screen was a 720p display. I'm hoping they'll one day get an AMOLED display in here. But in general, for 788 Ghana cedis, which is like an entry-level price, this is actually a good pick, especially for the performance. I like how smooth and fast this device feels anytime that I'm using it. So I really like that of this device. So this brings us to the end of the video on the Infinix Hot 10T. Let me know what you think about this device. Let's get interactive in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified the next time I post a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.